All right.
Mike Bones is set in Washington, D.C., and this is dressed to be a subway station underneath the Embarcadero Plaza in San Francisco. All we really have to do is change the map of the subway from San Fran to D.C. Whoa! It's all right. It's okay. It's just a tremor. This is Southern California. We get them all the time. It's nothing to be alarmed about. That's starting to feel like a little bit more than a tremor. I think it's the big one, folks. Those ceilings caving in on the left. But if you like a Pokemon too, you shake and don't stir. Hold on, everybody, hold on. Hey, it fixed my back. Oh, it's out again. Now, remember what I said about those blue seats.